welcome to an episode of Skip, Try, or Buy. So for today's episode, I have Pinch Me Therapy Gel. So I feel like this is probably a good time to talk about this one, given everything that's going on in the world right now. So recently I've been trying to get into some new therapies and do some relaxation things like meditation, essential oils, and things like that. Coming to the lake. Just to kind of relax and take my mind off things. I'm one of those people that my mind is like constantly going all the time, and I always like to do stuff. Like I'm a crafter, I like to do a lot of things. And so one of the things I recently purchased or found online that I wanted to share with you is Pinch Me Therapy Dough. And just a little bit of background about Pinch Me Therapy Dough. I think this company was started by, I believe she was a clinical hypnotherapist. I can double check and look that up. And she's bringing this dough in colors and scents, basically to relax, help you de-stress. I think there are about 10 different scents. And basically, it's kind of like adult Play-Doh, except I haven't found that it dries out or anything. Now, because I like to bring it to you and test it, I have already opened this one. And this is called the Refresh. But I haven't opened the 3 that I have in front of me, so we're going to be opening, unboxing, whatever, these together. But I did want to talk real quick about this one because I have used it. And here, let me open it. It's not going to be as pretty as the others will be because I've been playing in it. But basically, when you get it, it's going to come like this. It's going to say Pinch Me. Since I've already opened mine actually says Love instead. But you basically just go in here and you take a gob of it with your hand and you just pull it out, right? First of all, it's beautiful to look at. And unlike Play-Doh, guys, it smells amazing. So this one is the Refresh scent. And it just smells good. And I just like to just play with it in my hand, do this. Now I also bring like little tools, like I have a little spatula. So the other day I made a cake out of it and did like fondant, and I was rolling it out, making little flowers in it and stuff. But you could use anything you have at home. Like I'm just drawing in it. I have like popsicle sticks. I cut it with it. You know, basically kind of being a child again. But it's very relaxing. And like I said, it smells good. So what I want to do is just open the rest of them because I've been dying to try them. And let's smell them. So one of the things I want to just talk about and mention, because this is important, it does not stick to anything. So like if I were to drop a piece somewhere, let's say you dropped a piece on the floor, all you have to do is take another piece, pick it right up. So it's not going to stick anything. It's not going to make a mess. Now it will leave a scent on your hands. You can wash it off, but you probably won't want to because it sounds really good. It is non-toxic. And one thing I really like about this company is they donate some of their proceeds to the Wounded Warrior Project. So I always love a company that gives back, and so I think that's awesome. But let's get into some of these other scents because I want to be able to talk about it. But again, this is the Refresh scent, and I love that it does smell refreshing. It's really good. And it's made in the USA, and I'm trying to see what size this is. Yes, this is the 10-ounce size. So they also have spray mist, and they also have other sizes as well. When you're done with this, you just put it back in the jar, close it up, and I haven't had it dry out, but I haven't opened all of them either. So this is my next one. This is Spa. I also have Ocean, and I also have Citrus. So to let you know that they, again, they have about 10 different scents, maybe more. They've got some that smell like food, like grapefruit, citrus, and then others that smell more like just relaxation things, therapy, stuff like that. I'm going to open the Spa one first, and this is purple. Again, a relaxing color. And I know some people are like, well, what do you do with this? You do whatever you want to do with it. I mean, you know, I like to play around with it and just like, you know, those stress balls you can get, and you know, you squeeze those. I guess it's similar to that, but a lot more fun, and it smells better. So it has some therapeutic properties other than just texture. So, oh yeah, I want you to see that. So when you first get it, you see how it says Pinch Me? Alright, now you can come in here and be nice and just scoop a little bit out if you like. But I like to just dig my hand into it, so that's what we're doing. Just dig it in. Yeah. and take it out. Okay, so let's smell what spa smells like. You have to close your eyes when you do it. It has like some eucalyptus. It smells good. I like that. And you see how on my fingers, all I have to do is put my fingers in here and I can wipe it right off. So it's not going to get stuck under your fingernails or anything like that. I'm going to ask my husband to smell it. Smell this way.
Oh, that's interesting. What is that?
This one is spa. I feel like I smell eucalyptus in it.
Yeah, I can smell eucalyptus.
It kind of reminds me of Chateau Ylang.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this smells
With
good.
that lotion that you have.
Yeah. Oh, I like this. I have this, I think it's by Time Eucalyptus lotion. And he says it kind of smells like that. So I agree. I like it.
Very
and
strong.
see, I'm able to get the little bit that got on my nails. Just rub it up here and it'll come right off. All right. Okay, that smells good. You'll never be able to get this back in here looking as nice as they did. So just slap it back in there. Punch it in. Yeah. Ooh. Punch it. Okay. That smells good. So I feel like that has like a eucalyptus kind of smell to it. Okay, so now let's go and try the Pinch Me, and this is Ocean. Alright, so I'm just going to open this up. Let's see how this one smells. And they all come individually wrapped. Again, this is a 10-ounce size, and they do have, or they did order these, a smaller version. But I went with these. So let's see. This was hard to open. Okay, let's see. I'm at the lake, so let's see if this smells like the ocean. Again, oh my God. It smells good. Corey, I want you to smell this way. Close your eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Ocean, right?
Totally.
Totally, guys.
This is probably the best one. Yeah, you definitely smell the ocean.
Okay, so you can see it says Pinch Me all nice before I go and mess it up. This time I'm going to be nice and I'll cut a little piece out. Just get a little piece. Look, I didn't mess up the Pinch Me. See, it just sticks in my little thing either. Pull out the Pinch Me. Oh. You see, I just took a little piece out. You can roll it in a ball. I try to roll it in a ball. It doesn't stick to my ring. You can just squish it between your fingers. Put it on your wrist because it smells good. This really smells good, guys. It does. I think it might be my favorite. Like, I want to be in a room with this. And they sell mist. I should get the mist. Oh, okay. Not in your nose, just in front of it. Okay. So this is the ocean scent. So I'm going to plop that back in there. Still doesn't look as good as it did when I opened it. Try to smooth it. Yeah, it's brand new. Can't you tell? Okay, no, it isn't. Alright, so, and the last one I have is citrus. So this is one of their food scents kind of that I wanted to try. And so let me open this one. I'm trying to find where it opens the easiest. I'm sitting outside and I can smell this. It smells delicious. I do have a fan blowing because it's hot out here, but the scents are just blowing at me. And it's funny because I've got 4 scents and they're probably all over my hand at this point, but they don't interfere with each other. Like, I don't feel like, it's not like heavy perfume or something. So now we're going to go into the citrus smell. And again, I'll show it to you when you open it. It says, Pinch Me. Let's smell it. Okay, so this one, I will say, just the smell of it, it's not bad. It's probably not my favorite because the smell isn't very strong. Like, I had to actually touch my nose. And honestly, it smells like a citrus bread. Yeasty citrus? I don't know. Here, you smell it. It doesn't smell like I thought it would. I thought it would be like real good and orangey.
Yeah, it's not as pungent as I thought it would be.
No, it's kind of weird. But here, let me take a little piece out of here. I don't want to take too much because I don't know if I like this one and I want to give it to somebody. So maybe I can make it look new. I'm kidding. So I'm going to take a little piece out of here. A little piece out. roll it up into my little squishy ball. Mm-mm. Oh, well, you know what? Oh, I don't know. I could taste the orange. Oh, no, I can't. I can smell the orange. Sometimes I smell it, it smells good. Sometimes I smell it, it smells yeasty. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad. It's just the other ones are better. How about that? Alright guys, so now it's that time where I tell you whether I think you should skip, try, or buy the Pinch Me Therapy Dough. And overall, I'm going to go ahead and tell you this is a definite buy. My only caveat is I can't tell you about every different scent, so some of the scents may not be as strong as others. I can tell you that if you get Ocean, you're going to love it. It is the best scent out of the 4 that I tried. I absolutely love the scent. I want my house to smell like it. I love the ocean. I love water. So this one is my favorite. I also like the Refresh, and I like the Spa, which I also tried. And the citrus, again, it's not horrible. It just doesn't smell as like I expected it to, and it's not potent enough that I feel like I would get the therapy out of it in terms of like stress release. But I mean, you know, everybody likes different things, so be sure to try it if it's what you're interested in. But again, overall, I definitely give this a buy it. I got this, I think it's $24 a container, so it's not cheap. However, sometimes you can find it on sale, and then also it lasts. Like I've had these for a little while, and you can see they're not dried out at all. So, you know, maybe a little bit upfront cost initially, but I think it would be worth it in the long run. You can use these in the office, you can use them at your house, and I just think it's nice. I mean, you could even just sit back, listen to music. Maybe I'll use it while listening to one of my meditation sessions. I don't know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you've ever tried these products and have a scent that I didn't mention here that you tried and liked, be sure to put it down in the comments and maybe I'll give it a try. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye!